Hey guys, this is Julie and I'm here on my another video, and as the title have already told you that this video is all about unboxing the Globox of this month. So for those who don't know what Globox is a beauty subscription box where you can select 5 different products from different variants, and the best part is that all the 5 products are full size products and not samples, and they also send you one sample product which does not include in the 5 full size products. This box is for rupees 999, but the total products inside this box are worth rupees 2500 or maybe even 3000. It just depends on the products that you choose. You can also get further discounts by referring this to your friends. So without further information about this box, let me show you what's inside this. So let's get started. The first thing you will see in this box are these cards. So let me quickly show you these. This is the Share the Love card. So all you have to do is you can share your experience in any social media and you can get surprise gifts. And next one is the thank you card from Globox team itself. And the next card is the 20% offer card from Aroma Magic. So I will leave the coupon code in the description box below, so please do check if you're going to buy. And the next card is pretty interesting, as this one is from Rent It Be, where you can select up to 50 dresses. This is a monthly fashion subscription box. This one is for rupees 399. Each box has 2 dresses plus 1 accessory of your choice. There is also a 500 rupees offer code over here. So I'll leave the details in the description box below, so please do check. And the next card is the written thank you card from the Globox team. And this one is again refer and earn card. This will give you up to 10% discount, and it has the details on how to refer it to your friends. In case if you need it, just have a look. They also sent me a Globox keychain. You can see that. So, and then a Globox sticker. So the first product inside this box is the MCaffeine Glow gel from MCaffeine. This has aloe vera in it, which is great, and it says it cools your skin and delays the aging process. Maybe I should try this product and do a separate video to review this. There is a coupon code for 15% off. The code is WOLF. So in case if you guys need it, you can use this code. So this is how the container looks. This one is for 549 rupees and has 50 ml of the product. And the second product is a cleansing oil from Aspasia. This has 100 ml of the product and it's for rupees 735. This removes all the dirt and it removes the makeup on your skin. It cleanses your skin really well. This smells like it has eucalyptus oil on it, but I'm not sure because I couldn't read the ingredients as they are in Korean language. And the next product is a matte finish nail polish from Major Crush by Ayushi. This is for rupees 199 and this is in the shade of neon pink. I haven't tried this product yet, so I will leave a short review about this product on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And the fourth product is a beauty blender from LM Blue. I got this in Posh Pink color. This is for rupees 399. I love the way it helps me to apply the makeup and it's also easy to clean. And the fifth product I have in this box is a liquid foundation from NELF. This is in the shade Natural and it's a light water-based foundation and it's worth rupees 140 and has 30 ml of the product. This smells really good and has a bit of rose water smell, and I really love the consistency of this product and the finish it gives. So that's all about the 5 full-size products, and the next product is a sample product which is really great. I got this foot cream from Fuchsia and this has great ingredients with 15 grams of the product and it's worth rupees 75. So that's all about the video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share your comments, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And also follow me on Instagram because I really need your support on Instagram as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.